So thanks, Dino, and thanks for the Edge AI Vision Alliance. So the topic, as it says, is about very low power inference on the edge device, disconnected from the cloud. And more importantly, the ability to learn on device and customize rather than having to retrain in the cloud, which is pretty unique to what BrainChip offers. So very quickly, BrainChip is been around for about 15 years in terms of its research, has focused on edge AI, and has been obviously inspired by the brain, hence the clue in the name. And we'll touch on what that means in a little bit. So what we're talking about today is what is the challenge for edge AI, especially in order to scale to what Dino is talking about. What is the approach that we're taking, right? How do we actually deliver it? And then we'll walk through some of the examples and results on what we have done so far with our tech and what you can look forward to. Okay. So the challenge, you've seen various flavors of this, I'm sure, because everybody's looking at this challenge. But we thought about a few numbers to kind of illustrate the challenge, right? We start from left to right, smaller numbers to bigger numbers. The first was, hey, what does it cost to train a model? And the estimate around even a mid-range model rather than a full-fledged GPT or a large level language model is that it's about $6 million to train 4 weeks. And if you think about it, that is a lot when you think about retraining every time. You can adjust for drift, but once the model is trained, you're not trying to modify it. Right? The second number talks about a Wall Street Journal and Deloitte estimate of what is the cost to business in terms of lost productivity due to unplanned downtime that could have been predicted and prevented if we had the right things in place in real time.